Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily turn off the password feature in Windows 11 device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, first you need to head towards the setting of your device. For that, simply right click on the start menu and go to settings option. You can also go to setting by simply typing setting in the start keyboard. Once you arrive in this setting, here, in order to turn off the feature of password, simply go to account from the left hand side menu. Once you land in the account page, scroll below and in that page you will see the option of sign in. Simply click on the drop down menu beside it and then you will come to a page with the password option. Click on the one which is enabled in your device. In my device I have enabled the pin option and as you can see there is the option of remove. Simply click on it and provide the present password and then you're good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can remove the password feature from Windows 11 device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end.